Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Wow Chef at Vareva.com. Today, I just wanted to eat pasta, but I do not have much time to cook my pasta sauce. Usually, when you make a really nice, flavorful pasta sauce, it takes around 2-3 hours of slow cooking the tomatoes. But today, I don't have time. I need to cook this in just 15 minutes. So, how do I make this quick fix, very tasty pasta sauce? So, let's go ahead and make this. Now, for making this, add olive oil in a pan. In this, add garlic and add chopped onion. Usually, for making a good sauce, we add good amount of onions and cook for a long time, but since I don't have time, this is going to be quite quick, and we're going to cook this till these onions slightly sweat. In this, add some chili flakes. Wow, this is good, and look at the color slightly changing. Now in this, add tomatoes which have been blanched, the skin removed, and then chop them. I'm not going to use any canned tomatoes, just this one. Wow. For making any pasta sauce, do not go and get those Indian tomatoes which are sour. You want the tomatoes which are slightly sweeter. Nowadays we get like almost 20 to 30 variety of tomatoes, but just take a bite and see if it is sour. Do not use in making this sauce. If they are nice and sweet, they are good for making any pasta sauce. And put the lid on and cook these tomatoes till the nice sweet flavor comes. This is going to take around 10 minutes of slow cooking. After 10 minutes of nicely cooking, I wish I used even much red tomatoes. I would have got some more nice red color in this. Now add salt and sugar, because there is a little bit of sourness still. So I'm just going to cut it by adding a little bit of sugar. In this, some coarsely crushed pepper. Indians, when they eat sweet, they want a lot of sweetness in it. Especially in the pastas, they also want strong herb flavor. So I'm going to use parsley here and basil. Just crush the basil a little bit. And then, my son loves when there is nice flavor of oregano. So, all the kids love it. Just add some oregano, not too much, little. And then this is now, wow, fully flavorful pasta sauce ready. I'm just going to cover it and just let it simmer for 1 more minute, and then we're going to add our pasta. Now, look at the sauce consistency. This is perfect for my pasta, and here my pasta cooked al dente. That is, just done. Now, wow, and the way I like my pasta, but of course, I need to add a lot of cheese on top. Ha ha ha! Look at this. While boiling pasta, why to explain the whole process again? I have a video on how to cook pasta. You have to see that before you make this dish. That way you'll get a nice, perfect pasta. On this, take the cheese and grate. The more cheese you want, the more cheese you can grate on top. There's nobody in the world who can tell you that this is the perfect amount of cheese, because each individual taste, and that's it. Switch off the flame. Just toss this pasta, and always put your pasta directly from boiling into the sauce. If you pre-boil the pasta and keep it, and if you add the pasta cold to your sauce, it will dry out the sauce. That is the reason why you always keep the sauce ready, then boil the pasta and put the hot pasta, that is al dente, to the bite, and then you will get a nice perfect pasta. And God, you know what? If you guys think I eat crazy, you should see my son when I make this pasta and give him. This guy will go and get 2 forks. Bam, 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 bam. Dear friends, this is just an intro session. We're going to make a lot of pasta sauces, and we're going to kick ass these awesome Italian preparations. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking.